Hello future hackers! Welcome back to another exciting video. Today we are going to talk about the EC Council and one of its most well-known certifications, the Certified Ethical Hacker CEH. If you're someone who is passionate about cybersecurity and ethical hacking, then this certification is something you should definitely know about. So let's get started. Before we dive into CEH, let's first understand what EC Council is. EC Council, which stands for the International Council of E-Commerce Consultants, is a globally recognized cybersecurity certification body. It was established to provide training and certification for IT professionals, helping them build skills in ethical hacking, penetration testing, digital forensics, and security operations. Over the years, EC Council has gained immense recognition worldwide, especially for its Certified Ethical Hacker CEH certification, which is widely respected in the cybersecurity industry. Now let's explore more about EC Council and its contributions. Now let's talk about the different certifications offered by EC Council. While CEH is their most famous certification, EC Council also provides training in other areas of cybersecurity. Here are some of the key certifications you should know about. Each of these certifications is designed to help professionals specialize in different cybersecurity domains. But in this video, we will focus on the Certified Ethical Hacker CEH certification, which is perfect for those who want to become professional ethical hackers. So what exactly is a Certified Ethical Hacker CEH certification? This is an entry-level to intermediate certification that teaches you the skills used by hackers, but in an ethical way. As a CEH certified professional, you will learn how to think like a hacker, identify vulnerabilities, and secure systems before cybercriminals can exploit them. The CEH exam is structured into two parts, CEH Theory and CEH Practical. First, let's discuss the theory exam. It consists of 125 multiple-choice questions and has a duration of 4 hours. The exam covers various topics such as malware threats, footprinting, enumeration, network security, and penetration testing. Passing this exam proves that you have a strong theoretical understanding of ethical hacking techniques. But to become a CEH master, you also need to pass the CEH practical exam. Unlike the theory exam, which consists of multiple-choice questions, the CEH practical is a hands-on exam that tests your ability to apply ethical hacking techniques in real-world scenarios. So, what is the CEH master certification? To become a CEH master, you need to complete both the CEH theory exam and the CEH practical exam. This advanced certification proves that you not only have theoretical knowledge, but also the hands-on skills needed to perform ethical hacking in real-world scenarios. The CEH master credential is highly respected in the cybersecurity industry and can significantly boost your career prospects. Many companies prefer hiring professionals who have hands-on experience, and this certification ensures that you have the skills to tackle real-world security challenges. That's all for today's video, future hackers. We discussed EC Council, the CEH certification, its exam structure, and the benefits of becoming a CEH master. If you're serious about building a career in cybersecurity, getting CEH certified is a great step in the right direction. I hope you found this video informative. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep learning.